In this example, we want to factor 2f squared plus 14f plus 20. The first thing that we notice about this question is in front of our f squared, we have a coefficient of 2. To make factoring as easy as possible, we want to get rid of any coefficients in front of our first term. So let's see if we can easily factor out a 2 from the rest of our terms. Well, as we can see, our coefficients are 14 and 20. So we can see that we can take a 2 out of 14 and a 2 out of 20 easily. So we're going to factor out a 2 from our polynomial. When we take out a 2 from f squared, we're left with f squared. When we take out a 2 from 14f, we're left with 7f. And then when we take out a 2 from 20, we're left with 10. So now we're going to factor whatever is inside our brackets. So inside our brackets, we have f squared plus 7f plus 10. So now let's continue on with our normal factoring. We're going to take our last term of 10 and find all of its factors. Well, because it's positive 10, we can have positive 1 multiplied by positive 10. We can have negative 1 multiplied by negative 10 to give us 10. We can have positive 2 multiplied by 5, or we can have negative 2 multiplied by negative 5. So using these factors, we need to find which pair will add together to give us our middle term of 7. Well, 1 plus 10 gives us 11. Negative 1 plus negative 10 gives us negative 11. 2 plus 5 gives us positive 7. And negative 2 plus negative 5 gives us negative 7. Well, our middle term is positive 7, so that means we're going to use our factors of positive 2 and positive 5. So now that we know our two factors, let's write our two brackets. But of course, we need to write our positive 2 out front. So now we're going to have our two brackets, and we're going to fill it in first with whatever our variable is. In this case, it's f. And now we need to fill in our positive 2 and positive 5. So we can write positive 2 in our first bracket and positive 5 in our second. So factoring out the polynomial, we're left with 2 multiplied by f plus 2 multiplied by f plus 5 as our final answer.